Hi, this is Chris at Easy Excel. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching. Just before we get into this, if you've not already subscribed, then please subscribe and you can see lots of useful videos. We're all about making Excel work for you. Okay. Please like this video if it's useful for you. So, this is a nice quick one, and what I'm going to show you is how do you get rid of these letters at the top and the numbers at the side, okay, what we call headings. So the reason you might want to get rid of them is because you've made this table and you want people to use it, and you will have experienced this at some point, that you've come to the spreadsheet and all of a sudden the address column, or whatever, someone's done that to it, okay, and it's massive, and now the rest of your table's over, and that's not what you wanted, okay. So to avoid that, bear with me, I'll just make this right because it's going to annoy me if it don't look good. Okay, so to avoid that, see how that's just caused me a nightmare and I did it to myself, then a way to stop it is to get rid of these headings, and it's really easy to do. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So at the top you've got all these tabs and you're always usually on the home tab. Okay, so we're going to go to view, and it's so simple. We're going to show you there what happens there. We're going to untick headings, and now they've gone. So now I can't mess around with row widths or column widths or what, heights. I can't do anything. I just have to accept it, and I just use the table as was designed, and that will stop people messing about changing rows and changing columns. Or an annoying thing what's happened to me a lot of times is someone will right click and then they'll insert a column, just a random column that were never meant to be there in your table, or they'll delete a column. There's a lot of options, like clear contents. Loads of stuff can go wrong just by having access to that. So really quick way, go to view, untick headings, and now that's taken off. Now there are previous videos that I've done on hiding grid lines and hiding the formula bar. I mean, you can see on this video, take grid lines off, take the formula bar off. There we go, that's done. If you want to see it in more detail, reasons why you might want to do that and so on, then you can watch the other videos. I'll put them in the description. Okay, so thank you for watching. I like that actually, I'll leave that off. Hopefully that's helped you out, how to hide those headings, and if it has, then drop a like underneath and don't forget to subscribe. My name's Chris from Easy Excel, making Excel work for you. Thank you for watching.